Congratulations! You have made half double crochets all the way around your first round. You have a very skinny cowl already made. So I want to show you how to connect now that you've gone all the way around once, and that way you don't have to keep doing anything different at this intersection. We're just going to build it into a seamless piece. So I've grabbed the yarn. Now these are the two chains that we made originally. We're just going to go into the V of that first chain from front to back. Pull the yarn forward and then make a half double crochet. Then we're going to continue as normal, going under the V's, around and around and around. And because you've done that, you don't have to do anything special moving forward. You can just continue to go through both legs of the V all the way around until the very end. So if you can kind of see that we built a tiny bit of a slant, but that is going to really disappear when you tuck in the ends. So this is what it looks like when it's all done. I made mine in red last night. It's more my color. I hope you loved learning to crochet and making this project. Comment below and let me know if you have any questions. You can also jump onto our Facebook page at facebook.com/groups/Kari's Kits. Talk to you soon.